Hey everyone, in this video we will show the basic navigation in SolidStudioPro. Now we will run the software. For the first time when you run the software, the software will ask you for a folder that will be used for project files to be saved in. So when you select OK, you will select where to place your folder. Let's say you selected the drive D. Okay, once you select that folder, you will notice on the D drive that there is a new file here. It's called the Solid Studio Pro cases. Now to open a new case, you need to click on this icon. Now I will show you on the desktop. I have a folder where the patient files are found, the CBCT images, and the intraoral scan at the same folder. The first folder contains the DICOM images. These are the DICOM images. So when we want to open the file, we go to the desktop. Let's say this desktop. It's in the desktop, the patient X. This is the patient, and we have the CBCT image, and we just click on one of the images that has the patient data. Now a series or a list appears after analyzing all the files. Sometimes multiple rows are found, or other times, like this one, we have only one row. We will select the row with the series that contains the files and the frame, the highest number of frames. That means that we have the 3D data set of the cone beam images. So we double click on it. After that, the main windows appear. As you can see here, we have the 3D view of the mandible. We have the cuts here, the axial, the coronal, and the sagittal. Now we use the left mouse button to rotate. Okay, we can rotate. Click and drag. Click and drag. If we want to zoom in, we use the mouse scroll in and out. We can see here, as you can see, we can rotate from multiple sides. Now for the for the multiplanar reconstruction, we have the annulation lines. We can just move them to any point. We can see here that we are moving, and without clicking or without dragging, if you just put the mouse icon on the peripheries of the line, you will notice that the mouse cursor turns into a rotate icon. So if you click in anywhere in the middle, you will move the lines, you will move the cross-section position. But if the mouse icon is on the periphery, is a rotate icon, and you click, you will just tilt the cross sections, so that if, look here, if I want to place the cross section along the ridge, I can go to the periphery of the red line and then just rotate it, and you can see here I'm seeing all the alveolus. I can place here and then do just rotation of the cross section. You can see that you are modifying the cross section. If you want to zoom in and to zoom out, just use the mouse scroll. And if you want to change the mouse button functions, you can click on this mouse icon. You have the 2D mouse actions, the pan, rotate, or zoom. Now the pan and rotate are found in the same function, but you can just take one of the functions. Like if you click on the rotate, now even if you are close to the center of the lines, you will rotate only without moving the lines. Okay, if you go back to the pan, and you have the dual function of the mouse here, the periphery you will rotate and the center you will move. Okay, this is it. Now if you change the mouse action into zoom, then it only will zoom one of the sections instead of zooming all the sections. Using the scroll, you will zoom all the sections. Now if you have the mouse icon like this zoom button, you will only zoom this one. Now if you need to reset your cross sections, you can go to this recenter button. Once you click it, you will get back to the initial position. And for this other icon, you will hide or show the lines. Okay, that's it. Now for the 3D view, you can also change the function for the 3D mouse action. You can ban instead of rotate, or you can rotate, and you can also zoom. Okay. Now finally, for the scroll action, either you can zoom or you can navigate. If you change it to the navigate, once you scroll the mouse, you will see that you are moving the cross sections like this. Thank you all. This is the basic navigation of the a Solid Studio Pro.